Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great pleasure to have you with us this evening. This one is really special because it's a partnership that we've forged with ICICI Prudential AMC, essentially because we realize that there is so much doubt, so much trepidation when it comes to mutual funds. And why? Because you read that line which says, subject to market risk. And there are so many market risks out there that it becomes very difficult to understand this space, the mutual fund industry, how it functions really, and how exactly you should be parking your money. Which is why we've come up with this, an innovative investor mailer. The idea is, through entertainment, we tell you a little bit more about how mutual funds work, and we'll have an interaction, but only after this little play that we are presenting before you to help you understand how mutual funds work. Let's take a look.
स्वागतम। मैं तो ध्यान में बैठकर आप सभी की प्रतीक्षा कर रही थी, आप सभी की राह देख रही थी, बस अपने ध्यान में बैठकर। मैं जानती हूं आप सब यहां अपने पापों का बोझ हल्का करने आए हैं। भाई इस संसार में कौन पापी नहीं है, हम सभी हैं। चलिए आज आप सब लोग अपने दो दो पाप गिनकर बताइए। शुरू हो जाइए। क्या हुआ, डर गए? आज हम अपने पापों का गला ईमानदारी और समझदारी के तकिए से घोंट देंगे। अपने अंदर की वहशियत के घमौरियों पर अच्छाई का पाउडर डालकर उन्हें खत्म कर देंगे। नफरत के फव्वारे में प्यार का पानी भर देंगे। कहिए अपने आप से और एक दूसरे से, that I love you। आज मैं आप सबकी विडंबनाएं खत्म कर दूंगी।
गुरुमाई आई है, आशीर्वचन बुलाई है, आई गुरुमाई।
मेरा फोन बज रहा है। गुरुमाई की जय। चेलेराम,
अपना कोई हमको भय।
हेलो गुरुमाई।
चेलेराम बोलो।
हेलो गुरुमाई। आज ना भक्तों में मिस्टर MF भी आए हैं, खुद को लेके थोड़ा सा डिप्रेस्ड हैं।
MF? कौन MF?
अरे मिस्टर म्यूचुअल फंड, यही तो है इन्वेस्टमेंट की दुनिया के बेताज बादशाह। इन्हीं के पास है पैसा बनाने की हर ट्रिक। समझ लीजिए पैसा छापने की मशीन आज खुद आपके पास चल के मिलने आई है।
पैसा? मैं पैसे का क्या करूंगी? I have no need of money और साम्राज्य, you see। I तो just need your good feelings, good भाव।
तो भेज दूं उसे क्या वापस?
नहीं, हमारे दरवाजे से कोई भी भक्त खाली हाथ नहीं जाता। बुलाओ MF को, हम उसके चिंतित मन पर पीस और गुडविल का मलहम लगाएंगे। भाई इसीलिए तो हम यहाँ बैठे हैं। बुलाओ।
जी अभी भेजता हूँ।
नमस्कार गुरुमाई, नमस्कार गुरुमाई, नमस्कार।
कुछ मत बोलो MF, कुछ मत बोलो। MF, हम जानते हैं तुम्हारी परेशानी, तुम्हारा नाम और तुम्हारी पहचान। तुम्हारा अकेलापन तुम्हें खाया जा रहा है? और प्यार जनता का नहीं पा रहा है ना?
आइला, आपकी महिमा को मैंने माना, बिन पूछे मेरे दिल का हाल आपने कैसे जाना?
हम सब जानते हैं बच्चा, हमसे कुछ नहीं छुपा है। बड़े से बड़े स्कैम्स हो, स्कैंडल्स हो, अफेयर्स हो या छोटी से छोटी बात, इसलिए तो बचपन में कोई हमारे साथ छुपा छुपाई भी नहीं खेलता था। और तुम्हारी परेशानी तो साफ तुम्हारे चेहरे पे लिखी है। सच में तुम्हारे चेहरे पे लिखी है तुम्हारी परेशानी। बताओ हमें, हम उसका कबूतर बना के उड़ा देंगे। बोलो।
मैं क्या कहूं गुरुमाई, मैं खुश नहीं हूं। मैं अंदर ही अंदर घुट रहा हूं। कुछ लोग मुझे पहचानते नहीं, जो पहचानते हैं वो जानते नहीं, और जो जानते हैं वो मुझे और मेरी क्वालिटीज को मानते नहीं, और जो मानते हैं वो किसी और को बताते नहीं। मैं ऐसी जान पहचान और सम्मान का भूखा हूं। और सच बताऊं गुरुमाई, तो मुझे बहुत जोर की भूख लगी।
अरे बच्चा, हम तुम्हारी भूख का अर्थ करेंगे तुरंत, वो भी इसी मंच पर। हो समस्या क्या है?
मैंने आज तक के तुझे कुछ नहीं मांगा, मगर आज मैं आपसे मांगता हूं गुरुमाई, आपसे। मैं इस देश के कोने कोने में हर एक बच्चे बूढ़े के कान तक अपनी ये बात पहुंचाना चाहता हूं। आखिर मैं क्या हूं? कौन हूं? मैं उनके लिए क्या कर सकता हूं? उनकी सारी गलत फहमियां बहुत दूर करके उन्हें अपने पास लाना चाहता हूं। सब तरक्की करें, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है गुरुमाई।
फिकर नाट बच्चा, फिकर नाट। तुम यहाँ गुरुमाई अम्मा रामदेवी अन्ना के साथ खड़े रहो और ये सारी जनता तुम्हें कान खोल कर सुनेगी। कहो, हैं?
क्या कहूँ? किसके बारे में कहूँ? कितना कहूँ? कब तक कहूँ?
कितना मेलोड्रामा करता है पकाओ कहीं का।
जी आपने कुछ कहा?
जी, जो भी तेरे जी में आता है बोल डाल, दिल की भड़ास निकाल और इस पेटी में हमारे चेलों के लिए कुछ डाल।
अब आप इतना जोर दे रही हैं गुरुमाई, तो सुनिए मेरी दर्द भरी कहानी, मेरी ही जुबानी। आइए आइए मैं आपको मिलवाता हूँ एक आदम जमाने के पुराने बेचारे बूढ़े आदमी से। आज ही परलोक सिधारा है और हम लोग चलते हैं उसकी शोक सभा में।
शोक सभा में?
हाँ।
और हमारी इस सभा का क्या?
अरे उस सभा में ही छुपा हुआ है इस सभा का ज्ञान।
अच्छा,
हाँ।
तो फिर चलो शोक सभा।
हाँ हाँ, वो रोना पड़ा, वहाँ पे बहुत रोते हैं लोग यार।
शोक
मेरे को थोड़ा मन भर आता है।
शोक सभा।
बेटा डायलॉग बोल बेटा।
हमारे फूफा जी बस नाम की कमाल कुमार नहीं थे, वो तो आदमी भी कमाल के थे। उनकी सबसे बड़ी क्वालिटी थी आत्मनिर्भरता। कभी किसी से अपना काम नहीं कराया फूफा जी ने।
हर सुबह मेरे उठने से पहले ही चाय नाश्ता बना के खा लेते थे। हर रोज अपने बर्तन भी खुद ही धोते थे, कपड़े भी खुद ही धोते थे। वो होता है ना भैया कि किसी कुशल और सुगढ़ आदमी को किसी और का काम कराया पसंद नहीं आता ना।
एक बार उनकी गाड़ी का इंजन खराब हो गया तो आंगन में पूरी गाड़ी खुद ही खोल डाली। बसों के धक्के पसीने सब मंजूर थे, पैदल चलना मंजूर था जिंदगी भर कभी। कार मैकेनिक के पास जाना मंजूर नहीं था उन्हें।
तीन बार हड्डी टूटी पैर की, खुद ही प्लास्टर लगा लेते थे। जिंदगी भर लंगड़ाते रहे, लेकिन ट्रीटमेंट हमेशा खुद ही किया। हाँ
अरे वो छोड़ो, ये जो आंख है ना इनकी भी कुछ ऐसी कहानी थी। इसका ना ऑपरेशन होना था तो खुद ही बहुत सारी किताबें उठा लाए। बुआ जी को बोले, अजी सुनती हो मैंने सब पढ़ लिया है, खुद ही ऑपरेशन कर लूंगा। अगले दिन शीशे के सामने खड़े होके शेव कर रहे थे। बुआ जी ने ध्यान से देखा तो देखा कि अपनी आंख का ऑपरेशन कर रहे थे। आंख खोनी मंजूर थी पर आंखों के डॉक्टर के पास जाना मंजूर नहीं था फूफा जी को।
अरे बेटा, असली झटका तो तब लगा जब थोड़ा बहुत टीवी देखकर और पेपर चाट कर अपने आप को मार्केट का एक्सपर्ट समझने लगे। लगा दी सारी जमा पूंजी गलत सलत जगहों पर। इतना बड़ा नुकसान हुआ, मैं क्या बताऊं, बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पाए। उनके आखिरी शब्द मेरे को अभी तक याद हैं। बोले,
हार्ट अटैक ठीक करना तो मुझे आता है, डॉक्टर के पास क्यों ले जा रहे हो?
बस एक छोटा सा
और ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर ले आओ।
हाय बेटा, आखिरी इच्छा के बारे में भी बता दे।
उनकी आखिरी इच्छा थी कि अपनी चिता में आग खुद लगाए।
नहीं लगा पाए, नहीं लगा पाए।
जी सॉरी बुआ।
बस बेटा चल, अब चल बेटा, चल, बस चल, तू मेरा सहारा बेटा।
दुनिया में कैसे कैसे घन चक्कर रहते हमारे साथ, मरते मर जाएंगे लेकिन सही सलाह नहीं लेंगे। अरे भाई, अपने इन्वेस्टमेंट्स को अगर एक्सपर्ट को हैंडल करने दोगे तो
This I know it all daredevilry or foolhardiness can be dangerous, especially in matters related to your personal finance and investments. Through this series of humorous plays titled Tarakki Ke Tareeke, an innovative investor mela, the investors are guided to avoid the pitfalls of uninformed investments and urged to take the path of success as shown by characters like the smart daughter of a rich father and this ideal couple showing their maturity in matters of investment.
म्यूचुअल फंड से मिलता है टैक्स बेनिफिट और तो और बेहतरीन रिटर्न की उम्मीद।
Also, it is due to characters like Fufaji and these innocent inheritors that the penetration of mutual funds in India is amongst the world's lowest at less than 4%. ICICI Prudential Mutual Funds Managing Director and CEO Nimesh Shah holds that it is important to keep pace with the country's high growth rate through right strategies for investments, which can come only from knowledge and advice of experts with proven track record in wealth creation.
If India is continuing to grow at 7, 8, 9, whatever percentage that India grows at, and with a very high inflation economy, what has happened historically, if you see last 20, 30 years, if that is the case, then equity as an asset class has always beaten every other asset class in the country. Equity does well even if inflation is high. Equity is one asset class which beats inflation also. So the common man of India should get a product whereby he can invest in equity. We believe if there is a need of investing in equity by a common man because he can beat inflation, then the mutual fund is a very good route for a common man to invest in equity. Why is that? Because he gets the expertise of a mutual fund manager, the fund manager, the research analysis, everything he gets at a very nominal cost. So we believe this is one of the best products for the common man to be invested. Not only saving is important, but investing that saving in the right way is very important on a consistent basis to beat inflation.
Despite its promise of beating inflation and multiplying savings, awareness about the mutual fund category continues to be very low. It is to address this scenario that ICICI Mutual Funds has joined hands with Bloomberg UTV for a unique theatre-led investor education initiative. This Tarakki Ke Tareeke, an innovative investor mela, is a platform where potential investors can talk to our financial gurus and learn how to earn from mutual funds and how to make the most of the mutual fund investments.
The benefit that the high net worth individuals in this country get by investing in equity, how do we take it to the common man of India? That's the whole approach. That's the whole thought behind this one. So that is how do we, it's a very good product that everybody knows. How do we reach it to the common man? That's the challenge.
Clearly, the objective of this investor education camp is to dispel doubts and enlighten investors about mutual fund investments through a series of topical and humorous plays followed by interactions and knowledge-sharing sessions with the financial and industry experts. After the break, let's hear what the experts have to say about savings and mutual fund investments.
The idea, of course, today is to be able to dispel doubts, to be able to get you to understand how mutual funds work in a better fashion. Regular investments, the importance of being able to do that, as volatile as these markets are, that's the essential question. And let me introduce the panel. We have with us today Ashish Somaya from ICICI Prudential. He is Head of Retail Sales at ICICI Prudential. And of course, we have Certified Financial Planner with us as well. Please welcome him as well. Jayant Pai has been associated with the channel, with Bloomberg UTV for a long time. And as far as mutual funds go, Jayant, let me begin by asking you the importance of understanding mutual funds by way of being able to fight the inflation menace, as it were. How do mutual funds actually help being able to fight inflation?
Yeah, actually mutual funds are one vehicle to fight inflation, because now what is happening is that people are being attracted towards bank fixed deposits actually when inflation is very high. When inflation has been rising, people instead of moving towards mutual funds are actually moving towards bank fixed deposits, because they are seeing that the bank fixed deposits are, you can see the rise very visibly, like the bank will notify you that their rates are going up so much. But if people have been little vigilant, they'll be noticing that several mutual funds have actually outpaced bank fixed deposits even on a nominal return front. See, because in any investment, there are four things to look at. One is the risk, that is in terms of price volatility. Second is the returns. Returns is what everybody looks at first. Third is the liquidity. And fourth is after taxes, what do you get? So these are the four pillars. So on all these four fronts, mutual funds, see, they are very liquid as compared to a bank deposit. They have been giving higher nominal returns. Also on the tax front, they are far more efficient.
You tell us right now, in these volatile times, Ashish, what is the logic that you would tell people over here and even outside? Why should they invest when the markets are so volatile?
In reality, a lot of times people make all their investments based on what is their experience of the last 1 year, the last 3 years and the last 5 years. And we in the mutual fund world always say that past performance is not indicative of the future. Now, the fact is that if the past performance is too good, then that should not be extrapolated in future. And the even more significant fact in the current times is that if the past performance is not looking that great, then even that should not be extrapolated into the future.
That one point that you're making about don't go by past performance, that sometimes is a problematic area, because that would be a real reason why I would want to invest. And considering that most people, including our best financial planners, tell us, don't look at past performance, then what exactly do you look at to be able to choose your mutual funds correctly? And that would be a problem, as I understand from a lot of viewers who have been calling us, getting in touch with us. So let me open the house. Let's make this very interactive. Whatever problems, as basic as you see them, please come out with them. Let's define, let's structure, let's put all our doubts at rest. So, ma'am, you had a question?
I wanted to ask ICICI people, officers here, what technology do you use to protect the investments of the investors?
Yeah. So, this is an important question. In terms of protection of money invested, of principal amount, because that's the key really. You don't want your principal to erode.
Sure. See, there is clearly the protection of investors' money comes from 3 or 4 areas of work that we really implement. One clear area of work, I'll come to the use of technology, but the protection for investors largely comes from the kind of products that we make. It's not, and when we conceptualize products, or when we conceptualize what kind of fund we are going to offer for people to invest in, I think that's where the protection bit actually starts. So the protection for investors actually starts at the stage where we conceptualize what kind of fund we are going to offer to people to invest. As far as using technology is concerned, obviously use of technology is extensive all across. It's all pervasive, in the sense that right from the portfolio management, there are a variety of portfolio management tools which are heavily dependent on technology. So I think technology in that sense is all pervasive, and it is needed for managing money well and for serving investors well. But I think as far as a specific point on protecting investors' money is concerned, I think it's a lot to do with what kind of funds and products we conceptualize rather than how much of technology we actually use.
Yeah, you guys are doing a lot of good work in terms of stock picking and getting a good value stock and maintaining the asset allocation in equity fund.
Right.
The problem today is no matter how good a work a fund manager does, there is 2 or 3 countries that are in big trouble in Europe, and everything, somebody in Europe sneezes and everything comes down here. So you have virtually no control over the track record you're building for a fund performance.
Right.
Now, there was a way of selecting a fund by looking at last 5 year, 4 year, 3 year, 2 year, 1 month, 1 year, 6 month performance.
Yes.
As you said, don't look at the past performance.
Yes.
So how does an investor choose from, let's say, a fund, equity fund, either from Fidelity Portfolio, Birla, HDFC, ICICI Pru, and if I can't look at the past performance, on what basis should I choose the fund? That is one. And number 2 is, can you float a fund, or do you already have a fund which has certain India dedicated stocks,
right,
which are going to be least affected no matter what happens in US or Europe? These are the 2 questions.
Yeah, well, we'll come to the second question in a bit. But first about this, Ashish, and there was a point being made in the performance earlier today as well about the need for diversification, because you're never 100% sure. So when you're choosing a fund, what do you ask yourself? How do you choose a fund, considering that so many of our funds today in the market, and Jayant will agree, they do the exact same thing.
I just want to make one minor correction to what is being mentioned about not looking at past performance. I think there is a difference. What I said was that like you should not extrapolate great performance in the future, you should not extrapolate bad performance also into the future. The point being made is not about not seeing past performance. The point is, yes, past performance does give you an idea of how the guy has performed in the past. You should look at that past performance to get a sense of who has done well and who has not done well. My limited point was, do not extrapolate that into the future. It's a good way to identify how someone has done over the last 5 years, 10 years, 15 years of managing portfolios. It gives you a sense because it's a relative performance. So like some names that you took, if you study our performance over the last 5 years, the last 7 years, the last 10 years, it does give you an idea whether we were able to beat the index or not, whether we were able to do relatively better than some of our peers or not. All those things are valid ways of just studying how a particular fund or a fund house is doing. My limited point is that don't necessarily believe that what has happened in the past is exactly what will get replayed in the future.
No, fair point. But Jan, his question is very valid. How do you choose funds today? Because there are so many out there, and like I said, they're doing the exact same thing. So what should you consider?
See, there are various classifications of funds. You cannot put all funds in one bucket. So in that case, what you do is you can either approach a good person. See, I don't really like the word expert, because an expert is a person who knows everything of everything. But you can certainly approach a person who knows more than you about this particular field. So that's one thing. If you want to do it yourself, now there are several fund categories. First, you decide whether this particular fund category is useful to you or not. For example, there is a large cap fund category, there is a large and mid cap, there is a pure mid cap, and then there are several hybrid categories, with different combinations of equity and debt. So there are balanced funds which offer you different combinations. So based on what you feel is appropriate, you should first look at that category, then look at the players within that category.
I'm sure with more awareness, with programs like this, it's going to take it even further. But for the moment, let me thank Jayant and let me thank Ashish for making this possible. Thank you for joining us.
अपने फ्यूचर और हमारी इज्जत का कुछ ख्याल है तुम्हें कि नहीं?
हम कभी डरते नहीं, आगे भी तो बढ़ते नहीं।
अब तो आज और अभी हम ये ऐलान करते हैं कि हम एक नया विंग खोलेंगे, फंड ज्ञान विंग।
In the coming weeks, we will bring you all these interesting characters to let you decide your very own investment future.